Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce the fundamental of the Program Management tab. There are several layers in the Program tab, including the window layer, the timeline layer, output layer, effect layer, and label layer. Please note that there are different hierarchy in the Program tab, which means the top layer will cover the layers that below it. Let's add two media in the window 1 and window 2. Since the window 2 is above the window 1, so let's drag the window 2 on the window 1 in the stage area. We can see the media in the window 2 will cover all the media in the window 1. You can change the blending mode for the upper program node. Let's talk about the window layer. The window layer is the basic part of the Program tab, which carries the media playback, including the image, video, audio, and PowerPoint slides. Next is the timeline layer. In the timeline layer, we can click to add another timeline. So we can combine the program and timeline by using the timeline layer. For more detailed introduction, please see the timeline series video. Next is the output layer. The output layer is a carrier for matrix or console. Let's add an output here. You can set the properties including the name, type, the different devices, or the functions for it. You can drag and drop the control media to the output layer. Then, when we play this program, the control command will be sent to the console. You can add the effects for the program through the effect layer. There are 5 default effects in our software, and you can add your own customized effect at here. So please check our following video about the effects to get more details. The last one is the label layer. You can edit the different labels for your program to clarify the difference. Okay, we will introduce how to do the video playback in Hirender S3. Drag and drop the media to the program node. Add new display. Drag the display window to cover the program window. Click on Connect and open all displays. The program content will be shown on the display. A little tip that remember to enable both connection and the open display at the same time, or you will not get the correct output. For example, if we only enable open all displays, the display content will become our logo image. Let's introduce the property tab. The property that we should mention that is the keyboard trigger. You can edit any letter or number key to trigger the program switch. Let's give a program for the trigger as S and play another program. press S. The program will switch to 1 and start playing. If you are working in the product launch event, and you can set the key vision as program 1 with a trigger. Every time you want to show the key V after the promotion video, just press the trigger key. You can set the identification color for different program to make it clearly. An underlined will show below the program. When you right-click on the program, there are more functions, including the copy program. For example, choose copy and paste it to another program. All the layers we see in this program will be duplicated to the target place, but the name and the keyboard trigger will not be duplicated. We can also set the property for different layers. We can mute and preview or lock the program at here. We can also set the mirror for different directions at here. Note that in the stage area, we can only drag the position of the program. So if you want to change the resolution of the window, you should change the resolution at here. Rotate the program window at your need. The DMX trigger will be introduced in the alternate mode. At last, we will introduce the program list, where you can click and play all the program easily. That's all for the functions about the program management. See you next video.